We've now got a lot of practice working with Mongoose in a testing environment, but we don't really want to be in a testing environment forever, right? In this section, we're going to start working on a much more realistic application where you will be writing queries and seeing data pop up inside of a written application. Essentially, what we're going to do is take a pre-built application and fill in all of the Mongoose and MongoDB logic required to make the thing work. So this is going to be a lot of fun. You're going to get a lot of very live practice writing queries by yourself, and then you and I will come back and do a little bit of a review and make sure that all the queries are being written correctly. So in this section, we're going to start doing a little bit of setup on this application that we're going to be working on. And then once we're done with the setup, we'll take a look at what is already put together in this app and exactly how this is all going to work. So in this section, let's get started with a little bit of setup. First off, I'm inside of my project directory right now. I'm going to go up one directory. And so now I'm just in my general workspace directory. So I'm not working inside of my users project anymore. I'm inside of a very kind of empty project workspace sort directory right now. Next, I'm going to open up Google Chrome. Now, I've already taken liberty, again, of putting together kind of a skeleton of a project for us to work on. It's going to be a lot of fun, trust me. Can't say it enough. So we're going to go over to GitHub and download this project and get it set up to run locally. So inside of Chrome, or whatever browser you want to be using, I'm going to manually navigate to github.com/Stephen Greider. That's my name. And then we're going to go to a very specific repository, which is called Upstar Music. So Upstar, well, you'll see the name in just a second. There we go, Upstar Music, like so. So this is a starter project. It's already got a whole bunch of code inside of it. What we're going to do is install this and then figure out exactly what code we have to add in to take it all the way to completion. So the first thing we'll do is download the project. On the right-hand side, you'll find the green clone or download button. Now, if you're familiar with Git, you can go ahead and just clone using this link right here. If you don't have Git installed on your machine or you're not familiar with it, you can just as easily download a zip file and then extract all the files that are inside of here. So since I'm going to go the Git route. I'm just going to say it. I'm going to go the Git route. So I'm going to grab this link right here. I'm going to flip over to my terminal. And then inside of my just kind of general workspace directory, I'll say git clone. Oops, didn't grab the link. Well, I did a poor job of that. There we go. Okay. So I'll clone my project. After I've cloned it, I will change into that directory. And then once inside of here, I'm going to install a bunch of dependencies that are already bundled up inside this project by running npm install. So this npm install is going to take a little bit of time. So let's take a quick pause and then come back when all of our dependencies are installed. So I'll see you in just a second.